Pilitin, ha? So guys, we are going down now for the tabulation of total score for the elimination round so that we get a top 3 contestant. And the top 3 will be going to yung top 3 natin, maglalaban-laban po ulit sila. Sa criteria pa rin ng voice quality, 50%. Stage presence and performance, 30%. And the audience impact is 20%. So again, we would like to introduce you again in one more time, our judges for tonight. Judge number 1, a seasoned performer with extensive experience in the music and entertainment industry. She spent 1 year in a singer in Korea, honing her international performance skills. She also worked for 10 years as part of Inter-Island Cruise Ship Crew, showcasing her talent to diverse audience with 14 years as a vocalist in various bars and experience in hosting live events. She brings strong musical expertise and stage professionalism to our panel. Once again, give a round of applause to judge number 1, Lemon Rejano. Judge number 2, former instructress at Don Bosco Youth Center, member, lector, and commentator ministry of St. John Bosco Parish. Judge number 2, Mrs. Milagros Valderrama.